So good morning class. Today we will be starting our first chapter, which is electric charges and field. Electric charges and field. So first we will be learning about properties of electric charge. Electric charge. What is an electric charge? So electric charges are of two type. First positive charge, second negative charge. And we will be learning electric charges under electrostatic. What it mean by electrostatic means when charges are at rest, then the situation is electrostatic. If charges start moving, then it is electrodynamics. Okay, and if a charge start moving, then there also gets different type of situations, like if the charge is moving with constant acceleration, then it will be producing electric plus magnetic field. If charge is at rest, then it the charge is creating electric field. And if charge is moving with non-constant velocity acceleration, then three type of effects can be seen, which is electric field, magnetic field, and electromagnetic radiation. So first we will be learning about properties of electric charges. Electric charges, what are they? There are basically three properties which are associated with electric charges. The first property is additivity. Whenever we are going to add up charges, then the procedure for adding up those type of charges is done in the form of simple algebraic manner. Okay, because we don't use vector algebraic method or vector sum method to add any charge. Okay, like if we got 5 coulomb of charge and we got 2 coulomb of charge, and if we want to add this charge, then the resultant would be 3 coulomb. Okay, and second property is quantization of charge. What it means is the smallest possible charge which can be transferred from one body to another body is of order plus minus ne. Q is equal to ne. That is, the smallest charge which can be transferred is 1 electron, and here n represent number of electrons, and E represent charge on an electron, charge on an electron. Okay, here we can write Q is equal to Ne, in that case n would be an integer. But if you are watching somewhere it is written like this, plus minus any, then here n is natural number. Okay, this is, I mean, must known fact. And third point which we are going to learn is that the charges are conservation of charges. Okay, the third property is conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. Whenever the charges are transferred from one body to another, the total charges remain conserved, or while transferring charges, no charge is destroyed. Now these are the three properties of electric charges. And quantization of charges, a property that is asked in most of the exams. So hope you are going to